Hey, and welcome to the third tutorial video in the tutorial series for Bionicle CCG. In this video, I'll show you how to make and load your own decks. So to start off, let's open up the program. Hit the Deck Editor tab at the top next to the Server tab. You will see a big window, so the first thing you might want to try is browse and open up pre-made decks. So hit choose. You have a pre-ready deck, but let's say you want to make your own deck. Click the new deck button, and let's make a fire deck. So in the elements filter at the bottom left, I'll type in fire, and only the fire cards will show up now. So we'll add in cards. To add a card, you simply double click the name. Jala was a limited card, and Blacksmith was a semi-limited card. Limited cards can only have a maximum of 1 copy in the deck, while semi-limited a maximum of 2 copies. Kanohi Dragon was a legendary card. You can only have 1 legendary of the same name within a deck at a maximum of 3 different legendaries in one deck. So we move on. Now we can choose some neutral cards. When making a deck, it's pretty important to note the mana costs of each card. The mana cost is the number at the left-hand corner of each card up top. If you choose too many powerful cards with a high mana cost, then you won't be able to respond to your opponent in the early game. So keep that in mind when making your own deck. When making a deck, you must have exactly 40 cards. So I'm nearly done here. Another way to find a card is with this quick search bar at the top. You can just simply type in the name of the card you want, and it'll immediately show up. And that's it. This deck is ready to play. You now know how to make your own decks in Bionicle CCG. To load your deck, hit the Load to Your Deck button at the bottom. If you want to save your deck, click the Save Deck button, and whenever it shows up, whenever you want to play that deck again, it'll show up when you click Browse. I forgot to name the deck here, so let's try that again. Save deck, browse, and it's right there.